you want to learn how to block someone on Messenger, just keep on watching because we prepared a step-by-step tutorial for you. First step, open Messenger on your phone and make sure that you are logged in. To block someone, just swipe left the conversation you have with that person, press more, and then press block. Here, you'll see the option to block messages and calls from that particular person or account. You can press learn more to know more about what it means to block someone on Messenger. Now, just click the block button and you'll stop receiving messages from that user. Apart from this way of blocking someone, you can also press the three lines at the top left corner of your screen, press settings, go to privacy and settings, and go to blocked accounts. At the top right corner, you'll see the add button, and there you can choose the accounts that you want to block. And that's the end of this easy tutorial. If this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.